Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, all praises be to Allah, the Lord of the world, the Master after the Creator of everything on this universe. He has no partner. He has given us speaking until we can meet together in this special peace. Salawat and salam be upon the great messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Indeed, it's a freaking a pleasure for me to deliver my speak by the title of Small Step Picturing as the Journey to Success. To my dear friend of Da'i Online wherever you are, brother and sister, today I want to share an important message about small step picturing as the journey to success. Many people think that success happens overnight, but that is not true. Success is journey, not a destination. It does not come instantly. It comes from small effort that we do every day. Imagine a person who wants to climb a high mountain. If they try to jump to the top, they will fail. But if they take one small step at a time, because the perfect time does not exist. Every small effort counts. Keep going, trust the process, and pray to Allah for guidance and strength. That is all I want to share today. I hope this message inspires us to take small steps every day. May Allah bless us all hereafter. Thank you for your time and stay attention. Keep moving for step by step. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.